Hey, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell. When you ring that bell, you get all my videos instantaneously. Like today's video, interesting story. I love spicy food. I really do. Like not overly spicy, but good spicy food. And I was introduced to a dish called Raita. Now, R-A-I-T-A, Raita. I think I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I'm sorry. I'm not good with pronunciations, you know that. But this Raita is a mixture of spices and cucumber and yogurt. And it's very cooling, so that you eat spicy food, then you eat this Raita, and you feel better. I'm taking it to the next step today. I'm making Raita, and I'm turning it into ice cream. So that after a spicy dinner, you could have just a small cup of this ice cream. It's going to make you feel good. Hey, everything I make makes me feel good, because I'm always hungry. Always ready for some spicy food. And then some Raita ice cream. So let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is make this ice cream base. And it's very simple. It's coconut milk. That's what it is. Not coconut cream, not coconut water. Right in between coconut milk, so it's not too fatty and not too watery. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a half a cup of coconut milk. I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of a product called arrowroot. Okay, arrowroot's a thickening agent. That's all it is. Kind of like, it works kind of like cornstarch in that you have to mix it into a liquid and make kind of a slurry. And then once this liquid is boiled, the arrowroot has thickened. After that's mixed together and smooth, I can add a second cup of coconut milk. So I want a half cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot, make the slurry, then add the rest of the coconut milk. That's another cup of coconut milk. I do that just to make sure there are no lumps. I'm going to add sugar. What I'm adding is a coconut palm sugar. Okay? It is a brown sugar, very delicious, not too sweet, and it's pretty healthy for you. Although it is sugar, so be careful. And I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of coconut palm sugar. Now I'm just going to put this over medium heat and continue to stir it just until it's thick and smooth. Don't forget, the arrowroot's going to thicken it nice. And if I stir it often, then it's going to be nice and thick and smooth. While the coconut milk is becoming thick and smooth and delicious, I'm going to take 6 mint leaves. 6 nice mint leaves. Roll them up like a cigar and slice them very thin. As thin as I can. This is called chefdanavn. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. Now I have 1 lime. I'm going to use only half of the lime. Cut that in half. And squeeze that lime juice right in with the mint. I like to use fresh lime here because I'm not going to like cook it or anything like that to hide the flavor of a reconstituted lime juice. So I want to use like fresh lime. That's awesome. Then I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of yogurt. And the yogurt I'm going to use, yogurt made from almond milk. Wonderful. Nice vegan yogurt. Let's mix that all together like that. Wonderful. Last thing I'm going to add is a half a teaspoon of coriander. Give it a nice, interesting flavor. Now this is just starting to come to a little simmer. Bubbles are just starting to break the surface. Look at how the coconut milk kind of holds on to that spatula. Okay? Now we're going to mix the coconut, the hot coconut mixture, into the yogurt mixture. Okay, look how nice and rich and thick that is. Beautiful. And this we have to cool off. Hey, we're going to put this in an ice cream machine. Got to cool it off. So let's put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Raita is really a mixture of cucumber and yogurt and spices and such. So we're going to have to mix in some cucumber into this mixture. Now, you notice that I haven't added any salt to the ice cream mixture, and you need salt in everything to give it a nice flavor. And this is why. Here's the next step. And here's my cucumber, right? See this cucumber? I'm going to take about half a cucumber. I'm going to grate that cucumber. Okay, I'm going to squeeze some excess liquid out of the cucumber and just put it on a plate. Spread it around the plate so the layer is very nice and thin. Then I'm going to take maybe a half a teaspoon of salt and sprinkle it lightly over the cucumber. I'm going to let that sit on the side. This is my ice cream maker of choice. It's a Cuisinart ice cream maker. It's wonderful. A little expensive, but if you like to make your own ice cream, you need this ice cream maker. It's wonderful. You can get this ice cream maker on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. As always, it is a really good ice cream maker. Listen, it's an investment, you know, but if you want to make, like, you can't find the ice cream I made today. You can't find that in any store. You have to make it yourself. It's difficult to make ice cream without an ice cream maker. There are recipes there that say, hey, you don't need an ice cream maker to make this ice cream, but it doesn't come out the same. You need to churn that ice cream. You need to add air to the ice cream. And that makes it soft and luscious and beautiful. And so this ice cream maker does the trick. Totally automated. It's really a good ice cream maker. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you'd like to get one, go pick it up. It's really nice. And I will continue this video after this word from station identification. Hey, this is Chef Dan, almost vegan. What a channel. Healthy food. Wonderful. I have a container here that's been in the freezer, and there's like 2 walls in here, and inside these walls is water, and from the freezer, that's all frozen water in there. Makes this very cold. I put this in here like that. This churns the ice cream. I put that in there, and then I put the cover on like that. Okay, I'm going to pour my mixture into the ice cream freezer, and then I'm going to squeeze the excess water out of here and add that when it starts to beep, because when it beeps, that means you can throw in your mix-ins like M&M's, chocolate chips, or in my case, cucumber. Okay, now what I'm making is ice cream, so I'm going to hit there's a button here for ice cream, right there. You see that? Beautiful. Hit the ice cream, then I'm going to hit start. Here, turning like that. Now I'm going to pour in the mixture. While that's cooking over there, I'm going to take my, you see how the cucumber has kind of wilted? Look how much, and I squeezed this once already. Look how much more water comes out. Woo! There's a lot of water in there. Okay, I don't want that water, so I get that out. And there's my cucumber. Remember, there's a little bit of salt in here too. That's why I don't add any salt into the ice cream mixture. Okay, so it's down to 2 minutes. I gotta throw in my mix-ins now. Just throwing in that cucumber. Okay, this comes out. You see that ice cream looks beautiful, nice and creamy and delicious. Wonderful. I have these cups. I put them in the freezer. They're nice and cold. Because if they're warm and then you put the ice cream in, they're going to melt right away. So, I'm going to fill these with ice cream. Beautiful. Nice cup of Raita Ice Cream. Not just Raita Ice Cream. After a spicy meal, it's awesome. Hey, you want to check out something a little spicy? Check out my curry pumpkin video. Woo! It's delicious. You can add a little more spice to it just because you have the Raita Ice Cream. Good excuse to eat spicy food. Hey, I'll see you at that video. Awesome. Hey, don't forget to pick up your ice cream maker. Also, I got these little cups at Amazon too. I put everything in the description, all the links. Hey, check out Amazon. They got a lot of good stuff for you to pick up. For your kitchen, for your cooking. It's awesome. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget that pumpkin curry. It's delicious. Okay.